A very good morning, students. As we had discussed in the live video classes that we will come up with the solution of the assignments which were given to you in these couple of months. Now the first assignment was regarding nouns. Nouns are naming words, and here in this assignment 1 we had discussed and we have done some exercises on proper noun, which is the name of a particular place, name of a particular person or particular thing, and common noun, which is common or general for all things, people or places. So let us see the first assignment. Underline the proper noun and circle the common noun. Now first I will take the proper nouns and then we will come to the common nouns. First one, Robin is a student of Batman. Robin is a proper noun and Batman is proper noun. Our uncle visited us last Sunday. Sunday is the name of a day of a week, so it is proper noun. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi and India are proper nouns. Rahul is my brother. Rahul is the name of a bird, it is proper noun. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the name of a planet, so it is proper noun. The Arabian Sea is to the west of India. Arabian Sea and India are proper nouns. The Ganga is longer than the Godavari. Ganga and Godavari are name of rivers, so they are proper nouns. Diwali is the festival of lights, so Diwali is proper noun because it's a name of a festival. Vikrant is a very big ship, so Vikrant is the name of a particular ship, so it is proper noun. Jesus Christ was born on 25th December. Jesus Christ is proper noun, and December is the name of month of the year, so it is also proper noun. The highest mountain in the world are the Himalayas. Himalayas are the name of the mountain range, so it is proper noun. Coming to common nouns are first sentence student, second sentence uncle, third sentence capital. Capital is a name, particular means state or a country's main city, or the particular capital is of India is New Delhi, so it is also common noun. Brother, fourth sentence brother is common noun. Fifth sentence planet is common noun because there are many planets. West, all the directions. In the sixth sentence west is common noun. Seventh sentence there is no common noun. The Ganga is longer than the Godavari. Both are proper nouns. Diwali is the festival of light, so festival and light are common nouns. Vikrant is a very big ship, ship is common noun. In 10th sentence there is no common noun. Jesus Christ and December both are proper noun. And the last sentence, the highest mountains in the world are the Himalayas. Mountains and the world are common noun. Now students, in the second question I had given you, write out the following sentences putting in the capital letter wherever necessary. As you all know, in the proper nouns we always use capital letter. Proper nouns are always written in capital letter. The first letter of a proper noun is always in capital. Also, when we start a sentence, we always write in capital letter. The first letter is always in capital. Now the first sentence was the largest city in America is New York. Now the first letter T will be capital, so the will be capital. Then America and New York are the name of two places, so they are also written in capital letter. So America is capital letter and New York is also in capital letter. In the second sentence, you will see Connaught Place Circus is in New Delhi. Now, Connaught Circus is a a name of a place. So it is starting with capital letter. The C is in capital letter and this C is also in capital letter. And New Delhi, as you all know, is a name of a place, so it is also in capital letter. Now the third sentence is King George was the ruler of Great Britain. King George is the name of a person, as well as beginning of the sentence we write in capital letter. So K is in capital and George is also in capital letter. And Great Britain is a name of a country, so G is also in capital letter Great, and Britain, B is also in capital letter. Next is the fourth sentence. We sailed to England on the Queen Elizabeth. Now I just now told you that we begin a sentence in capital letter. So W will be capital. Then England is a name of a country, so it is written in capital letter. And here Queen Elizabeth is a name of a ship. So it's because it's the name of a particular ship. So Q is also capital Queen and Elizabeth E is also capital. And the last sentence, Paris is the capital of France. So we begin our sentence in capital letter. Paris is the name of a place, so P is capital letter, and France is the name of a country, so it is also written in capital letter. Now the third question was, write any 10 proper nouns and 10 common nouns. Now any means you can write any 10 proper noun, like the name of your family members, name of places, like you can write Bharuch, Mumbai, Surat, Bhavnagar, your country, any country's name you can write, Sweden, Japan, China, Bangladesh, name of countries, name of monuments like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Statue of Unity, name of rivers like Narmada, Ganga, Godavari, Nile, Amazon River, name of mountains like Himalayas, Andes, Alps. You can write a name of seas like your Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Caspian Sea. You can write the name of oceans like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and so on. So all these are proper nouns. Next is 10 common nouns. Common nouns means general things. You can write book, pencil, table, chair, house, school, trees, birds, car, bus, train, anything, any 10. There are innumerable common nouns are there. So this is your first assignment.